In this video, I will show you how to build a loom in Lego Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and build a loom, what you need to do is open up the build menu. And what you're going to want to do is make sure you're on utility, and on the stations you're going to see the loom on here. So you just want to scroll through, and this is what the loom looks like. Now in order to build this you actually need 9 flexwood, 8 flexwood rods and 6 ankles. All of these items can be obtained from the desert area of the world. The flexwood you can get from the cactus, and the sandclaws you can get from creatures around the world. So once you've got the appropriate materials, just go ahead and come into the menu, and what you can do is just go ahead and craft the loom just like so. So that's how to go ahead and build a loom on Lego Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.